Hello, if you are wondering if there is Game Turbo available on OPPO A60, then the answer is technically yes. There is a way to boost the performance of our device while playing a game. So let's for instance use the Warzone mobile game as an example. When you run the game, over here you'll find the information about the Hyper Boost. So this is pretty much the Game Turbo. And we can, by default, it is located somewhere on the left side, so we can swipe to the right in order to open the information about the game boost. So we have several modes. We have the low power mode, we have the balanced mode, as well as the pro gamer mode. So of course, definitely the pro gamer mode will try to get as much FPS from the game as possible and try to get the best performance as possible. However, keep in mind that by using this mode, we will also drain the battery the most. The device will heat up quickly, so keep that in mind. And in addition to that, we can scroll down to find more options like the game focus mode. So if you don't want to be disturbed while playing the game, then you can enable the game focus mode and so on and so forth. We also have access to the screen recording and more. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.